Hey, real quick, if you anybody watch my older videos, you'll recognize this guy here. This is what I use for the demonstration on my tank sealing setup and the epoxy that I use for sealing the tanks on my lanterns and whatnot. This just hangs outside. It's pretty rusty and pretty roached. It's got a lot of pieces missing off of it. So I'm gonna make a little bird feeder out of this guy and this little, whatever this is, this enamelware mini pie pan or whatever. I'm gonna drill a few holes in this guy so it doesn't fill up with water. And I've got a cork in the hole here where the burner went. And it's a real snug fit in there. So I think I'm going to cut a couple notches on each side so I can get it squeezed in, and the crimp on the air tubes here, it will lock into it. And then I'm just gonna run a screw down through it deep into that cork, and between being locked in there and the friction fit and then the long screw in there, it's not gonna go anywhere. So I've already drilled the holes in this thing. I'm gonna kind of clean them out a little bit just to get rid of the metal burrs, and we'll get this guy slapped together real quick. So there you have it. It's wedged in there in between them the air tubes, and it's pinched in that, and with the screw down in the bottom through the cork, and it's wedged into the hole pretty good. It's not going anywhere, and I'll have this hanging up on my shed on my shepherd's hook. So, and it was a nice way to do it, and it really, even though it's pretty rusted, the lantern's not completely ruined. You can just pop that out, and if somebody decided to fix it or find parts, it could be done.